My name is T.Bala, Snehitha. My registration number is York 19 CS multiple, and my topic is about where we have to display title, author, price. First, we have to give int price, my book, int title, int author, int price, super title, author, this price equal to price, and we have to close that function. Again, void display, open the function, and we have to print title is to plus title, or author is to plus author, price is to author. Then we have to run the code. Then I got title as title with author call price 248. And my next program is we have to get a set title as super title for the book. Then we have to give void set title string s super dot title equal to s. Then we have to close the function, and now we have to run the code. I got input as a tale of two cities, output the title is a tale of two cities, and I got the title is a tale of two cities. I got my predicted output. Then my third code. Here we have to give explanation of divider 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 equal to 12. First, calculate class my calculate implement advanced arithmetic public int divisor sum int n int remains equal to 1 int sum equal to remain if n equal to -1 sum equal to 0 for int I equal to 0 I less than or equal to n minus n by 2 I plus if n percentage I equal to 0 sum equal to sum plus I, then return I. Then we have to run the code. And here input sand is 6, output we have to get I implement advanced arithmetic 12. I got my expected output as I implement advanced arithmetic 12. Now I'm going to do my here we are going for the birthday party, and we have to select the location, venue, date, day, time, and cost of food, cost of drink, cost of decoration, cost of rent, total expense, and price for singing, for dancing, for games, and we have to give. First, in interface event, abstract void, expensive, advanced void, prices, default void, welcome message, system dot input print welcome, static void thank you message, system output print thank you, interface invitation, extends events, private void design invitation, system output print in as invitation for the events. Then class birthday implements events and invitations, string location Trichy, string venue first floor C 123 5th cross and Trichy, string date 14/10/20, string day Wednesday time 8 p.m. int cost for 20,000, cost of drink 5,000, int cost of decoration 10,000, int cost of rent 30,000, int sing price 10,000, int dance price 500, int drama price 1,000, int game price 1,000. Public void enter system output print in the cost of food is to plus cost underscore food. The system output the cost of cool drink is plus cost underscore drink. System dot output print the cost of decoration is to plus cost underscore decoration. System output print in the cost for rent is cost underscore rent. System output print in the total expensive is to plus cost food, cost underscore food plus cost underscore drink plus cost underscore decoration plus cost underscore rent. Public void prices. System output print for singing is to plus sing price. Price for dancing is to plus dance price. System output in price for drama is to plus drama underscore price. System output for drama price for games is to plus game underscore price. System output print in the total expensive. Public void design invitation. System output print in public void display. System output print in system output in where we have to give location is to plus location, venue is to plus venue, date is to plus date, day is to plus day, time is to plus time. Then class implement event invitation. String location Tiruchi, string venue first floor C 123, fifth floor West Thalli Nagar, next line Tiruchi. String day equal to 16 10 20, string day Friday, string time 4 p.m. int cost underscore food equal to 10,000, int cost underscore drink equal to 5,000, int cost underscore decoration equal to 10,000, int cost underscore rent equal to 20,000, int poster underscore price 1,000, int speech underscore price equal to 1,500, int art underscore price equal to 2,000, int music underscore price equal to 1,500, int total expenditure, public expenditures where we have to give output the cost for food is to cost food, the cost for drinking is to plus cost drinking, the cost for decoration is to plus cost decoration, the cost for rent is to plus cost rent, the total expenditure is to plus cost underscore food plus cost underscore drink plus cost underscore decoration plus cost underscore rent. Public void prices. System where we have to give again system output. Price for poster presentation is to plus poster price. Price for speech competition is to plus price speech price. Price for art competition is to art price. Price for music competition is to plus price competition. Public void design underscore invitation system dot output as event. Public void display invitation where we have to give output output as location is 2 plus location, venue is 2 plus venue, date is 2 plus date, time is 2 plus time, public class interface 1. Public static void main string arrays. Event A equal to new birthday, birthday A2 equal to new birthday, A dot welcome message, A2 design invitation, A2 display underscore invitation, A expenditure, A dot prices, event thank you message, event B equal to new, day 1 equal to new, D dot welcome underscore message, B1 design invitation, B1 display invitation, B dot expenditure, B dot prices, even thank you message. By this I completed my program. Now I am going to execute my output where I got welcome birthday party, location Tiruchi, venue first floor, C 123 5th cross, West Thalli Nagar, Tiruchi. Date 14/10/20, day Wednesday, time 8 p.m. The cost of food is 20,000. The cost of drinks is 5,000. The cost of decoration is 10,000. The cost for rent is 30,000. The total expense is 65,000. Price for singing 1,000. Price for dancing 500. Price for drama 10,000. Price for games 1,000. Total 3,500. Thank you. Welcome to location Tiruchi, venue first floor, C 123 5th cross, West Thalli Nagar, Tiruchi. Date 16/10/20, day Friday, time 4 p.m. The cost of food is 10,000. The cost of drink is 500. The cost of decoration is 10,000. The cost of rent is 20,000. The total is 45,000. Price for poster presentation is 1,000. Price for fruit competition is 1,500. Price for art competition is 2,000. Price for music competition 1,500. The total price is 6,000. By this I completed my birthday party program. Now I am going to show my bank problem. Import Java until interface transaction void deposit void withdraw void view balance interface disable void display abstract class account string account name int account number double balance scan ss equal to new scanner system in account system dot output print in enter the account name equal to ss next line system dot output print enter the account name account number equal to ss dot next in. By this we have to close the function. Again, class bank1 extends account implementation transaction disables double account scanner ss equal to new scanner system in public void display system dot output dot print in enter the amount to be deposit amount equal to ss next double balance equal to balance plus account close the function. Again, public void withdraw open the function system dot and switch cases we have to use. Then exit. By this I completed my